Good morning, dear children. Today we will read a new poem which is The Sun, and it is written by Gareth Lancaster. This is an interesting poem, children. Here the poet wants to know about the sun. He wanted to know that where the sun goes in the night, and he asked few questions from us. This poem consists of 4 stanzas, 1, 2, 3 and 4, and each stanza has few rhyming words. Do you know what are the rhyming words? The rhyming words are the word which has similar ending sound, like you can see here, bright, night, it, okay, similar ending sound, hide, side, here hills, chills, here rest, best, home, roam, round, down, that, flat, round, ground. So these are the rhyming words of this poem. So first we will read this poem and you all try to repeat, okay? Don't you think the sun is bright? I wonder where it goes at night. Does it sleep or does it hide? Or is the moon its other side? Does it hide behind the hills late at night as outside chills? Do you think it needs to rest from all that warming it does best? Could it even have a home? Maybe in London or even in Rome? Or does it just float around, moving slowly from town to town? Yes, I think it must do that. After all, the earth's not flat. So, the sun goes round and round, spreading sunshine on the ground. This is your poem, children. You learn it. And now come to the explanation. Here, don't you think the sun is bright? Means here poet is asking a question that do we think the sun is bright or not? Now children, what is the meaning of bright? Bright means very shiny, that have lots of light. You can see the sun is very bright, no? Then yes, answer will be yes, the sun is very bright. I wonder where it goes at night. Here, poet wonders, puzzled and confused where the sun goes at night. Does it sleep or does it hide? As we all sleep in the night, so poet also thinking that does the sun also sleep or cover himself? Or it move and or is the moon its other side? Or poet is thinking that the sun turn around and becomes the moon. Okay, now come to this stanza. Does it hide behind the hills late at nights when outside chills? Chills means becomes cold. Okay, so poet is thinking that we cannot see the sun in the night, then where it goes? It might be hiding himself behind the hills. Do you think it needs to rest from all that warming it does best? What is the work of sun, children? What it does? It spreads light, okay? It gives us warm, means heat. So after the working of whole day, he works whole day from morning to evening, and poet is thinking that it also needs some rest as we take rest. Okay, now come to the third stanza. Could it even have a home, maybe in London or even in Rome? Or does it just float around, moving slowly from town to town? In this stanza, poet is thinking that whether the sun has a home to go at the end of the day or it just float. Float means to move slowly, okay? Move slowly from one place to another. Now come to the last stanza. Yes, I think it must do that. After all, the earth's not flat. So the sun goes round and round, spreading sunshine on the ground. Here the poet gets his answer, okay? Or a conclusion that sun does not sleep or does not hide. It moves one place to another and it spreads its sunshine on the earth because our earth is not flat. What is the shape of our earth, children? Our earth is round. It is in a spherical shape. So here the poet gets his answer. This is all about the poem, the thought of poet. Okay, hope you all have understood this poem. You all learn it, and now we will do the book work. Now do the book work, children. Answer this question. First, take the correct sentences. The speaker thinks that the sun sleeps at night. Yes, the speaker thinks the sun sleeps at night. Hide behind the hill. Yes. Becomes the moon in the night. Yes, this also speaker thinks. Hide behind the clouds at night. No, it hide behind the hills. Speaker thinks that the sun hides behind the hills. Goes back to its home to sleep. Yes. Hide in the forest. No. Goes around the earth. Yes. Okay, so we will take these sentences. Now the question is, what does the speaker think the moon is? The speaker thinks the moon is the other side of the sun. Or we can write, the speaker thinks that the other side of the sun is moon. Got it? According to the speaker, what is the sun's hiding place? So we will write, according to the speaker, the sun's hiding place is hills, okay? Is behind the hills. Why does the speaker wonder if the sun needs to rest? Children, as the sun spreads sunshine everywhere all the day long, so the speaker wonders that the sun also needs some rest. Got it? Understood? Now, this is find the opposites of these words in the poem. Wake up. Now we will see in the poem, wake up opposite is, here it is sleep. So we will write here sleep. Cooling, warming. Inside, outside. Quickly, slowly. Now the next page, find all the 8 pairs of words that rhymes in the poem. Okay, like bright night, hide sight, hills chills, rest best, home roam, okay, round town, that flat, round ground. These are the rhyming words, okay. Now the next, the speaker talks about the sun as if it were a person. Tick the sentences that shows us this. Okay, we have to tick the sentence which shows the sun as a person. Okay, do you think it needs to rest? Yes, this one. Or is the moon its other side? No, this we cannot tick. Could it even have a home? A person have a home, na? Persons wants home. So here we will tick this one. So this is all about your book work, children. You do it in your book and learn the poem.